Yeah, so today I'm going to tell you how to use Chatgpt. So the first and the foremost thing that what you have to do, you have to just open the Google browser, and here you just have to type Chatgpt. And if you click, the moment you click, you'll get this one. I mean OpenAI, then followed by ChatGPT Wikipedia. So just click on this openai.com introducing ChatGPT. If you'll click on this, so such type of things will be open. But here, if you'll try to search, so you'll not get your thing because ChatGPT is a kind of product. So if you'll go through, like as you can see, many products. So GPT-4 is like you have to buy, but ChatGPT is free. Okay. So what you need to do, just click on this. Let me show you once again. Just click on this ChatGPT. But as I have already logged in, so as it's not showing, but if you'll try to click on this, what it will do, it will just ask to sign up or to log in. So if it asks for sign up, so just sign up with your already logged in thing, and then it will ask your name and then followed by your date of birth and then your phone number. So as you enter your phone number, it will send one code on your WhatsApp. So that code, the moment you enter, directly you can just log in. So this is the process. Now let me remind you once again what you have to do. The moment you come to this page, if you'll try to click on this, it will directly take you to the sign up or login. So as like if you are the first time user, so try to click on the sign up, or even it will say login with mail ID. So just click on that mail ID. There you have to enter your date of birth and then followed by your phone number, which has the WhatsApp. So it will send the code to the WhatsApp, and the moment you enter the WhatsApp code, directly it will open. And then you have to just click on this ChatGPT. Okay. If you open here, for example, if you have to talk about any topic, let's say if you are making any PPT. So PPT on, for example, if you want the PPT on Dhoni. So if you just click, okay. So see, AI cannot create PowerPoint. However, what it can do, it can provide some information. So as you can see, it is keep on typing the things. Okay. And then as you can see, even if you want like to stop this, and if you want presentation on, as you can see here, as I'm typing presentation on Dhoni. See, so just now what I did, PPT as I have written, then it has shown that I can't make PPT. But here, as you can see in slide 1, in slide 2, in slide 3, okay. So like these are the things that you can enter. So even if you're trying to struggle, or if you're struggling in order to make the PPT, so you don't have to worry. In this way, you can just learn the things. Hope you are getting the point. And total, like it is going to give almost like 7 to 8 slides accordingly. And as it is the data, you can just take and you can paste in your slides as well. Or even if you're going to provide, like if you're going to proceed with your PPTs, so further over there as well, you can have. Now, let's say if you want the presentation on, let's say ChatGPT itself. ChatGPT. Sorry, chat I have written. Presentation. Okay, as it has taken. Sorry. See. So introduction, then how it works, then application. So you need not bother about anything. All the things are available at your own, like at its own. You just have to type. So if you are over smart to use, then always you're welcome. So whatever the things that you want, and the only difference between the Google and the ChatGPT is ChatGPT provides the accurate information. Let's say if you want any topic for group discussion. So group discussion topic. or it is pollution, as I have typed. So as you can see, here are some important points on the topic. So first, it gonna show you the definition, then followed by causes. Okay. So as usual, so even you don't have to bother about any topic. Hope you are getting the point, everyone. Okay. So this is how the things that you can do in case of Chatgpt. So as it will keep on giving the things, so you can have your things whatever. Okay. And as I have stopped here, even if you want to have something else, so even you can have. So in this way, you can use the Chatgpt and try to utilize more and more. Thus, it will be quite helpful in future as well. So in case if you get any queries, do let me know. So thank you.